We're going to definitely watch those storms as they develop as we go into tonight, because we are looking at strong to severe thunderstorms again. This is very similar to what we saw Sunday night into Monday, although this threat is increased a little bit more, that the likelihood these storms to turn severe are going to be there. So this is later tonight. We are looking at showers and thunderstorms with produce heavy rain. We also could see all different types of hazards possible. And so we're going to talk about this coming up this morning, and I'm really going to break that down. But as you're getting ready right now for this morning, you can see for most of the day today, it's actually going to be great. We're going to be seeing temperatures getting into the mid 70s this afternoon. It is going to get breezy. Just keep that in mind. So it's warm and windy today. And then the trouble develops as we go later on into tonight. But you can see you have a lot of time today to get out and enjoy the nice weather, to take care of anything in your backyard or your front yard, what you might need to do. And then comes the risk later today for strong severe. You might notice we're now in the orange. That is a level 3 out of 5 now. So we have jumped up to numerous severe storms are possible. And that's mainly going to be after 7 o'clock tonight. All different types of hazards are possible. We could see isolated tornadoes with the system as it comes through. We could see damaging winds, large hail. Could get up to a golf ball to ping pong ball size hail. That's not out of the question. And then flooding is going to be a risk as well, as you'll see with some of those continuous streams of rain as we go into overnight and tomorrow morning. So this morning, there's some showers and storms developing to our west. We have a chance to get more of an isolated pop-up shower or thunderstorm, but you can see how quickly things clear out and stay clear for most of the day today. Now, that sun is not necessarily a good thing, because that's what's really priming the atmosphere or getting it ready so that as storms develop, they have that potential to strengthen. So as we go into later tonight, I'm going to show you this and walk you through it hour by hour. This is the current timing, and this can still change. That's why I'm saying after 7 o'clock, be prepared, especially after dark. As you can see, this line forms and then moves into the Columbus metro between, I'd say, 8 and 10 o'clock tonight. You're going to see the lightning, you're going to hear the thunder, and again, any of these cells that develop could strengthen and become severe. Because this is when many of you are going to bed, sleeping, putting the kids to sleep, make sure you have ways to get warnings. A NOAA weather radio, #1 source that will go off if there's a warning that's issued. Or have your phone alerts, your 10 TV Plus app, 10 TV app. It's great because you can sign up for those alerts. But you're going to notice even after the severe threat goes through, look at that continuous rain that we see. So that's going to be something we're going to have to watch into the day on Friday, which, by the way, is going to be a lot colder. So hopefully you can get out and enjoy it today. But you can see the weekend's actually shaping up to be pretty nice. By the beginning of next week, I mean, we are really heating up. You can see those temperatures are going to climb up into the mid to upper 70s by next week, but we're also going to have some chances of thunderstorms. So it's a very spring-like forecast for us. But just make sure you're staying connected. I always like to say prepare, don't panic. If you know you're ready for the worst-case scenario, then hopefully the best-case scenario happens, and that's what we're dealing with tonight. But if we do get storms that become strong to severe, they're going to have a little bit of extra kick to them. So definitely going to watch that for you closely.